Hello guys, welcome to another unboxing. This time it is Gustard U18. I got it from Shenzhen Audio. So like always they have packed it really well. So let's open it up. Lot of bubble wrap. So this is the box U18. Voltage they have not specified. So voltage selector. And CDR with drivers, one warranty card, one power cable and one USB cable. This is the unit itself. So tactile buttons, nice. Word clock, 10 megahertz clock, USB, coax, I2S. So they have used plugs for all the other ports, which is good. And it is already selected at 220 volts. On off switch. So this is the Gustard U18. And there is a discrepancy. The BNC plugs are rated for 50 ohm impedance, but the actual physical connectors what they have used is a 75 ohm, I guess. Need to check on that, guys. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Yep, have a great day.